Hello, everyone. So here I'm talking to Mr. L. Murthy, Deputy CEO at Dwara KGFS. Dwara KGFS uh, was one of the lockdown adopters of legality, where in a span of less than 2 months, they immediately adopted and deployed legality in their operations. I'm here today to speak to Mr. L. Murthy about his experience with that. Uh, so, Mr. Murthy, the first question I wanted to ask you is what is your role with regard to legality in the organization? In the sense, what interaction do you have with legality? Is it on a daily basis or was it just at the evaluation stage? Uh,
I think the interaction was initially more when we were trying to deploy the tool and when we were exploring what options can we have and what is the best way to put it across. And having done that, the initial thought process was done where both the organizations agreed in terms of the principles of working. It was the later the IT team and the operations team which are in regular touch with each other. But what we have realized is that I don't think there's any kind of much interaction required once the tool is kind of put in. It is more, we feel it's more like a auto menu driven kind of a thing, uh, where you just put it. So the system is pretty simple, very easy to use. Some initial teething issues while you're setting it up, but I think once you are set it up, there are hardly any issues that come. You need not even talk to legality team for any kind of an issues. You just need to internally keep doing your stuff.
so I wanted to understand what was the main problem you were facing that led you to evaluate or consider a solution like legality?
So today what happens is that as from a regulatory aspect, there are a lot of documentations that we need to do. And now every organization has got a different documentation. Some organizations have got a 6-pager agreement, have got a 10-pager agreement that, you take care. Then there are multiple receipts, there are DPNs, there are a host of paperwork that needs to be signed. And the customer also, what happens is that they need to put signature on multiple pages, point number one. Point number two, in your own set of customer base, there are some set of customers who probably do not know how to write. Now, when you're asking them to put a signature, they could feel, odd, they could feel offended, or, they might feel thinking that I do not know how to put a signature. What do I do? Though they are taught how to put a signature. But, is it the right way to respect a customer who probably doesn't know how to sign it? Though you are teaching them, you are actually putting that feeling into the mind of the customer. So that was one. The second thing was that because this is a financial transaction that happens and are subject to audit, you have to ensure that all documents are there. They need to be executed at a specific period of time. There was a lot of increase in the average turnaround time, and there obviously is a cost also, in a sense that you got to take multiple pages of agreement printed, get it signed, then rescanned. So in the process, if any paper is missed out, then the audit trail the trail kind of misses out. So keeping all this in mind, we felt that with this technology, it would actually help the customer also, that, customer can just put one signature, which takes care of all the other signatures that are required, and putting in other pages. And there are a set of customers who, if they do not know how to basically put a signature, we are working in terms of, putting their biometric, at least now. Or our wealth manager basically, as part of our process, writes their name over there, that the OTP is kind of put in. And, the mobile number OTP authentication is done. In case if the customer is not able to put their signature, our wealth manager and the system enables them to write their name.
So why did you, in the evaluation process, why did you end up choosing legality?
We did speak to a couple of other partners, and we found that the legality team's ability to come up with flexible solutions which we wanted. Now, obviously, what happens is that every organization that we were talking to were providing a platform, that this is the platform that you have, and we had to change our processes to suit to that particular platform. At least legality team that we found were that fine, they came up with a particular platform, and we did put our problems and issues, saying that this is the kind of problem that I have and this is the kind of process that I have, and if I have to completely go by the way you are asking, we need to change the processes, which would have an impact. And at least legality team was able to listen to us, understand our issues, and come up with a solution which was a win-win for both of us.
Right. What was the main concern? So you told me about why you ended up choosing legality, but what was the main concern about when you chose legality, that you had apprehension that you had that this could happen, after we adopt it?
Uh, See, we didn't have any concern from a technology point of view, but we did have a concern from a customer point of view as to would the customer adopt to this, because they are kind of used to putting a signature on a paper. Point number one. Point number two, as these are all unsecured loans, if you're not putting a wet signature, there is a fear of always putting a wet signature on a paper. Whereas over here, you're not putting a signature on a you're not putting a wet signature. So those were the kind of challenges that we were wanting to overcome. But from a legality perspective, obviously, the initial technology integration, how much time would it take? Would it be easy? How fast would legality team come back in case of any kind of issues that are arising while we were doing UATs? These were a couple of concerns that we had, but touch wood, as we progressed, we found that these was issues which were getting sorted out over phone, because during pandemic we even didn't meet face to face. Everything was done over phone, over Zoom calls, and the technology teams were talking to each other.
So what is the one, I'll ask you to choose, what is the one key benefit you would say, like the number one, if you had to choose one key benefit that you receive from legality?
I think I'm enabling my customer to just put one signature rather than putting 10 to 12 signatures. That is point number one. And with that, I am also looking in terms of unlocking the productivity time of my wealth manager. These are the two things that basically have benefited to us. And the larger thing obviously is from a sustainability part, that at least we are helping mother nature by not wasting so much of paper.
Right. Uh, the next question is about feature specific. What specific feature do you like most in legality?
I think very simple to use and very easy. See, what happens is, even my wealth manager, who is the interface between the organization and the customer, they're all young people. Their ability to use the e-sign documentation should be easy, that shouldn't feel it very difficult to use. That was the best part of this entire thing, that it was a very simple thing, a small box where you could just put a signature, and that itself will take care, rather than the wealth manager want the signature at each of the page. The system enabled that one signature, put it on a box, that automatically takes it to all the pages, and the formatting of the documents, everything was clearly visible. The authentication as part of the OTP coming in and OTP being put, and the ease of customers who are not able to sign, enabling us to put the name of the customer there, typed by the wealth manager. So that execution really helped us.
Right. I just have two more questions. I won't keep you long. Uh, who uses legality within your organization mainly on a day-to-day basis, and have you received any feedback from them, and if so, what?
I think it is the field team which uses the legality, plus my legal team, my entire organization today, where we are actually, all the agreements have become e-agreements. So all the company secretarial team, they use the legality team. But from an operations perspective, it is my branch team which uses legality on a daily basis. And we do have got a lot of feedbacks. We have captured testimonial videos of our customers in terms of how they felt after using this feature. We would be happy to share that. And we also have videos of our wealth managers who actually have said that how it has impacted them and how much time are they actually saving.
Oh, that would be great if you can share it. I mean, always would appreciate it. It would make our product and tech team also feel good.
Definitely.